Yo, this car gets so much attention on the road. I'm in the R33 right now, dude. I'm living a fucking dream, dude. This thing is a blast to drive. I got used to the high grabbing clutch. I'm gonna go put some gas in it and we're gonna go meet up with some of the guys. I was a little bit late to the cruise because I had to go home and take a shower, but we should be meeting up in Mexico real soon. We're gonna hit up a Wawa right up here, and I'll see you guys at the spot. Maybe do some pulls on the way there because we're in Mexico. I've gotten like 2 girls already, gave me a thumbs up. A couple of guys like staring at me, smiling. Like, even people that don't know what cars are, like what, you know, different cool cars are, they know what this is. They know this is something special. You know, it's right-hand drive, it's blue, it's, you know, it's an insane looking car on the road. It's got a really strong road presence. This thing sounds wild. All right, we pulled into the gas station. We're gonna put some 93 in it. There's actually a sheriff over there. Interesting. Yeah, I was hoping the fuel door was on here. I don't know how to. It's probably on the floor. Yep, push. There we go. So we got the fuel door open, and put some 93, 254. Not bad, not bad. Let's get the pic for Instagram. You already know. Dude, this car is wild. This thing is sick. Don't want to get none of that shit on the paint or in the fuel door. Look at the fuel door, dude. This is actually like, it's pretty clean for an old, like a 25-plus-year-old car. Not bad. Hopefully that cop doesn't see me with a GoPro on my head. Starts right up, man. GTR life. We got almost a full tank from that 20 bucks. I'm surprised. This thing's pretty good on gas. It was at about a quarter tank, so I'm gonna guess this thing takes about 93 on maybe like 30 bucks maybe. Careful with these speed bumps. Got some gas. Gonna give it a little gas now. Rolling on it in 3rd gear. Dude, this is crazy fast, man. That was shifting at 5. You can go to 8. Dude, I could so get used to owning one of these. I love this car, man. This experience of driving a GTR, really any GTR, even an R35, even though it's not right-hand drive, it's amazing. But the Skylines just have a different feel, and man, I'm so fortunate to be in this car. I mean, this is so many people's dream car, you know, an R32, R33 GTR, or really even, some people have a regular Skyline as a dream car. It doesn't even have to be fast. It's fun to cruise in, you know, it's just a good car. I love this car, dude. I am so blessed to be in here right now. Drizzling going on, but we should be straight. This guy looks pretty clear. Might be just this like little patch. This transmission's really short. I'm gonna be really careful going into 5th. It is a 5-speed as well, so no 6th gear. I was a little nervous to drive this car, especially by myself, just like out in the public road like this. Really easy to drive though. Really fun too. Why is this guy going so slow? See what I mean? Even short shifting. So much fun. You guys might remember this part of Mexico, I did the Mark IV Supra review with Willie on here. This car is really nice. I want to maintain it that way. You know, doing pulls in a straight line, that's fine, but make sure it's on good pavement, nobody around, you know, got to keep it safe. And these cars are really fun, but at the end of the day, you don't want to crash or anything like that, so you want to be as safe as possible. On twisty roads, this thing, it's really good. As far as like JDM driving, it's really easy to drive a right-hand drive car. You just want to stay to the right a little bit more, that's all. You don't want to hang over to your left too much. I'm just cruising along in 5th gear. It's perfect, dude. We're at 60 miles an hour at about 2,500 RPMs. It's geared pretty good, especially for a 5-speed. So usually like with 5-speed cars, you'll be like way up in RPMs at like 60 to 80. And at like 80 to 100, you'll be like, you know, way up there in 5th gear. But even with this race seat, I can't really move my legs too much. But even with the race seat, it feels really good. It's really comfortable. I don't feel like I have to get out and stretch my back every 2 seconds. Also, looking out of the mirror and seeing your big ass rear wing is like, it's one of the coolest things ever about a car. Any car, really. You sure? Like this. Might be worth it.
Find something solid and crash into it.
Let's not do that.
Let's probably not do that, yeah.
This will be a cool photo.
Well, it's an R33 GTR.
Oh, Jesus. This thing's fucking awesome.
Yeah.
First time driving it like out in the streets. You sure? All right. I'm finally one of you guys.
You got it?
No, it's John's. I'm just driving it around.
Big ass camera.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna do like.
That thing actually stay on that mount.
Yeah, I use it for car reviews. It doesn't shake. Pretty cool. Even.
I actually got a horn?
Yeah, bro, it works. I used it earlier because some guy like got in front of me. I'm like, bro, you see what I'm driving, bro? I'm driving a GT. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, when I hit that 2-step.
Get some 3-step. Oh my God. What are you doing, bro? It's auto too. I think that's an NA. I don't think it's a 2J. We got Benz RX-7. Oh, M4, nice. Is this a stick? Ah, it's DCT. This is also auto. Oh, it's a Q50. Should be. This is Danny Spoon Civic. Oh shit, he only got 1 seat? Damn, bro. How are we supposed to do a review if you only got 1 seat? We got John's NSX. Pretty sick. Sounds good. Gonna go park this thing. should be good there. Ben's gonna park his RX-7 over here. This is where not having a JDM car sucks because you can't be, no matter what, you can't be part of the JDM squad if you're, you know, left-hand drive. So, John, what are you doing?
If it had a clutch, you'd be burning.
Oh, the rubbing. This is my first time ever driving a Skyline, dude. Like, this is my first time this is my third time driving right-hand drive, but dude, I drove a Pal today, I drove an Aristo, and then I drove this. Yo, Danny, when is this going on the channel, bro?
Okay.
Exactly, the Eke. When is that going on the...
When it's going to the channel, man?
Yeah.
You need a seat to be put on too, right?
I mean, it's up to you. If you don't put a seat in it, then we're gonna have to do all the talking outside of the car.
Who's we?
You and I. But that's the thing. It's gonna be weird if you don't put a seat in it. So just put a seat in it.
Exactly. So when you
We'll
take
do
it
like
for
a
the drive, you talk about it, and I'm not in the car. Man, my nigga.
Bro, what? Oh my God. My bad, bro.
Tires are too sticky.
Got you. I thought he was gonna go swinging at me.
I fucked up for the first time in my life, and I decided, you know what, I'm gonna buy a nice set of tires, and now I can't.
They are nice.
Yeah, they're Pilot Super Sport.
They are nice.
But I give.
Dude, I have a Miata at home. I had the same problem. The tires are too new. Can't slide it unless it's wet. I'm scared. Hey, does he have an open diff?
His clutch is dying.
Smells like tires. Oh my God. I will say one thing about driving this around all day and having it for the rest of the night, basically, is all I want to do is share it with all my friends, all my family. Like, I want to show everybody this car and give them the experience because this thing is sick. The car is fun, and it really is, but some of the fun is sharing the experience. And too bad I only have it for the night, but hopefully I can do like more videos with this car. Oh man, this thing is a blast to drive. I will say the shift knob gets hot from the transmission because it's aluminum, and I think it's weighted too. The car is easy to drive, drives like a normal car when you're at cruising speed. It's a really nice cruiser, to be honest. The exhaust's not too loud or annoying. It's so far back, and the car is actually like decently well noise insulated, so I like it. So anyway, we're gonna pull into a car show. We're going to Z Night. It's basically like 350Zs, 370Zs, Q50s, Q60s, you know, like VQs, and of course, like basically any cool Nissan. So because we're in a GTR, we'll probably park up front, which is cool because I've never gotten like VIP treatment at a car meet before, since I usually bring stock cars. But I'll see you guys there. Hey, he's with me. He's with me. Any room in the front?
Send the both of you onto the front, but apparently all together.
Yeah, he's with us.
Just up front.
All right. Come on. up?
Park up front.
Yeah, if there's a spot.
We'll park next to this orange car here. Just the only thing is they don't like us blocking the entrance, so there's.
So park over next to him?
No, on this side.
Oh, okay.
There's enough room. Yeah.
Is there any way we could park with the car behind me too? He's with us. This is his car too, so.
Oh, it's his.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
I feel like it's only fair.
I mean, you can park there. You can park. You know, there's a lot of spots. But we can get you up front here.
All right.
You can park this other car.
There's one between the handicap spots right there.
Okay. All right.
This thing gets all the attention, man. It's great. Absolutely crazy. JDM shit, look at this.
Yeah.
I love it. Sick.
Yeah.
You can't get the key out unless you press that button. Dude, just like pulling in and seeing like literally everyone crowd around, just stare. I feel like that's like half of the experience, you know? And honestly, like I really want to share this with like all my friends and stuff. Like it's cool, but if I'm the only one driving it and enjoying it, then it's not really that much fun, you know? Like first thing I was like, man, I'll show my...
Dude,
Thank you so much.